Hey everyone, welcome back. Never used Base app before and want to create your own wallet from scratch? Here's exactly how to set it up step by step, including the most important step you must never skip. First, download the Base app from the App Store. Search Base and then tap Get. Open once it's installed and you'll see an option to create a new wallet. If you do not see it here, click on More Options, go to Import Recovery Phrase, and then here click on create a new wallet. Base will generate a brand new recovery phrase for you, which is a unique set of 12 to 24 words. This is the single most important step in the entire process. Write this phrase down on a paper in exact order shown and store it somewhere safe and online. This phrase is the only way to recover your wallet if you lose your phone, and anyone who has it can access your funds, so never type it into a website or never screenshot it and never share it with anyone. Else, you could also use Face ID to sign in. Click on continue and then give them your Face ID. Now you'll be logged in and signed in into your Base ID. After that, once verified, set up a passcode for the app and enable Face ID if you want quick access. Your wallet is now created and ready. You will see a wallet address you can use to receive funds and balances of zero until you add funds. So all you've got to do is download Base app, tap create a new wallet, write down your recovery phrase on a piece of paper and store it safely. Verify the word, set a passcode and Face ID. Your wallet is ready and that's it. Subscribe.